What is up, bros? So let me do a trade recap video again. So this week was an amazing week for all of our group members. So this week we took 5 trades so far. These are the trades. I'm gonna break it down what happened actually. Okay, let's start. So first we took gold. So gold was the week of touching the new milestone, right? Like we saw the gold broke 3000 all-time high. It was by that time, but we saw how far it gone, 3057. So I was already know that it's gonna happen this week, but I didn't know it's gonna happen at the very first day of the week. So that's why I took this position as a scalp, and we made 1:2, like we closed at 1:2, but I closed at 1:3, because as it's a signal group, I would like to make sure that at least we are getting 1:2 out, and we are not turning our like a profited trade to a loss. So that's why I always try to get us like out with 1:2, and at the 1:2 we put our stop loss at 1:1, we put our stop loss at break even. You can see if we had not got out, then what would happen after 1:3, it touched the break even. So we don't let it happen. Okay, so that was a nice trade. And the next was Euro and GD TP 1:2. As I said, yes, that's the trade, I guess. Yes, that's the trade. So clean trade actually. So what happened after buyers got out, then we entered the trade at the right moment. That's my entry technique. And as a pair, so you might say like, why you had a target of this structure zone? Obviously my target is this zone, but the thing is, it's not, sometimes it doesn't happen, like price will just straightly go there without any retracement. So when I saw the price stopped here, and the only thing I saw here actually, from the first one I got a reaction, so I just took this on my personal account. That confirmed me, okay, so at least it has some portion to go. And guess what it did? So this was actually my target at that time, but again, this trade all was way better trade, better risk reward ratio. And we took this trade 1:2 out. We didn't wait for any other zone or anything, because this high could be targeted as a signal group. It's something I have to make sure people are getting out with the profit. So that's why I'm closing all the trade 1:2. And also I think I suggested the group to open keep the 20% open for the rest of the target, which was this. And I don't know if they have done, they made more. Okay, so the next one was Euro Australian dollar. That was a small loss actually. Let me see why. Yeah, like I mean, first of all, same thing, I was just targeting the sell, and when price started pulling back from here, so definitely I was looking something in lower time frame zone that which price can respect, and this was that H4 zone, and it really respected that zone. So we can see one reaction here. The second reaction, I was just expecting, okay, once the sellers are trapped, then maybe I can enter. So I entered after this pullback, and unfortunately I think there was a news, it came back to this and then went up. So we took a loss at like, how much? It's just 30 pips, I believe, yeah, which I was fine. And then it came back down, but again we can see price is just staying in this area, and I'm not liking this, the price action. So that's why sometime, not only some, I would say most of the time, if you're not experienced, don't trade with reversal. It doesn't matter how many years of trading experience you have, you might get caught off like I did. I got caught off here. It just stopped me out with one candle, done. The next trade was GBP CAD. That's also a L for us, and it was like my stupidity, because what I did, the trade gave us at least 1:2, but this time I didn't close. Unfortunately, we were a hell of profit, and then guess what? Price came back, and then it came back again, like this much, and then I was hoping, okay, so now it will drop, because if you remember the last week, I was targeting this whole move because the price didn't go far, so that I can, like, I was planning to stop here, see some consolidation, and then little go up and then go down. So I thought, okay, the price hasn't done any move yet, so why not take the trade? And then it did, to be honest. We can see price gave us our profit 1:2, but we didn't close, unfortunately, and then it turned to an L. But we didn't let our stop loss to hit, because when I saw these rejections, I told my guys, close the trade right now. So I think we closed early, so that's why I just mentioned here, closed manually with minimal loss, because definitely we were at profit with these two, and the euro odd small loss could not, I think, didn't hurt anyone, and then we closed it manually at the minimal loss, because I like at this time I was sure, okay, it gonna hit a stop loss, so we're out. So okay, that's the GBP loss. And then next is GBP NZ. It's 1:2 again, and it was a very nice trade. GBP NZ, fundamentally pound was very strong this week, so I was on the favor of pound anything. And also see the daily zone, it just bounced back from a nice zone where price like 1 to 3 times respected, and with the body. So 100% it was expected that reaction can happen from this level, and guess what, how big was the reaction? I didn't expect that much more, to be honest. I thought price will drop from here, excuse me. So yeah, I thought price will drop from here, and nope, it didn't. We were out. I think this was the great trade, like within 1 or 2 hours it hit our TP. So I think we were out at 1:2.5 something here. I hold this trade till, I guess, this high, and yeah, we really made back all of like, even if people have lost little money, they got back their money here. So that was our all of the trades, and yeah, it was pretty straightforward. So the next week I have these pairs I'm looking at to trade, and next week will be another, inshallah, will be another great week.